The party's here, unpacking a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and commonly used English phrase, party's here. This phrase is popular in social settings and can be a bit confusing for English learners. So, let's break it down together and understand its meaning and usage. The phrase, party's here, is often used when someone arrives at a social gathering and wants to announce their presence in a playful and lively manner. It implies that the real fun or excitement begins with their arrival. This phrase can also be used humorously to bring attention to oneself in a variety of settings, not just parties. While party's here is primarily associated with social gatherings, its usage can extend to other scenarios. For example, when someone brings something desirable or exciting to a group, like pizza to a meeting, they might exclaim, "Party's here," as a way of saying that things are about to get more enjoyable. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is often associated with a light-hearted, jovial attitude. It's a way to add humor and energy to a situation. Understanding such phrases helps in grasping the cultural nuances of the English language, which is crucial for effective communication. Party's here is more than just a phrase. It's an expression of excitement, fun, and a warm, welcoming spirit. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about embracing the culture and spirit of the language. Happy learning, and we hope to see you in our next video.